Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Xbox game bar not opening or not working problem. Let's fix it guys. The first solution consists of three steps. The first step is to update your Windows. To do this, go to search menu and type Windows Update. Click on open the Windows Update settings. Select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it guys and make your operating system up to date. After doing this, close it off here. The second step is to repair and reset the game bar. To do this, go to search menu and type game bar. Right click on the game bar and select app settings. You just need to scroll down and select terminate. After doing this, scroll down and select the repair and reset option. After getting these both done, you just need to close stuff here and let's move on to the third step guys. The third step is to do a SFC scan. To do this, go to search menu and type CMD. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now in the command prompt, you just need to type SFC space slash SCANNOW. Press enter. This will help you to fix corrupted files in your computer guys. This verification need to get 100%, so kindly please wait until this finish up. After finishing this, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to use a command in PowerShell. To do this, go to search menu and type PowerShell. Right click on the Windows PowerShell and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Just copy it and tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it. Press enter. After finishing this command, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.